Welcome to my channel. I'm Lisbeth and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Today I will show you how to make turban happen. I hope you like it. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make the turban. The materials are fabric, scissors, elastic, straight pin, safety pin, thread and needle. The first step, we prepare the fabric and cut the fabric. We need to kind. This is the length of 50 centimeter and the weight of 20 centimeter. We need 2 pieces. Next, the length of 25 centimeter and the weight of 8 centimeter. We need only 1 piece. For elastic rope, this is the length of 12 centimeter and the weight of 2 centimeter. And give the safety pin. The first step, after we cut the fabric, we fold in half, like this. Secure with straight pin. This one, and start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here. You do the same process with the other. Like this. And then you turn the fabric inside out. Like this. And put the seam line in the middle and you press like this. Also this one, this is the seam line. Take elastic and insert the elastic through the fabric. And then you sew here to here. Okay, and also the same process the other side, like this. And you sew here to here. The next step, you cross like this, and then put together. This is the seam, there is the seam line. This one, and you pull like this. Okay, this is a good side. There is a seam line face to us. Put in the middle. You fold like this, and you sew here to here. Also the same process. Put in the middle, fold, and sew here to here, like this. Okay, and now you pull this one, and you pull. And the turban has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.